Here's how to change the cabin air filter in your Subaru Crosstrek. To start off, go to the passenger side and open the glove box. Next, what you're gonna do is push inwards right here, just so this plastic piece is no longer lodged behind it. Then go to the other side, push inward again, just so it's not lodged. Now, the last piece you need to disconnect before it can come down is this little lever. To disconnect it, just push outwards towards the outside of the car, and then that will pop off. And now this can just fall down. If as you're opening the glove box, it completely disconnects, that's perfectly okay. You'll just reconnect it by lining it up very easily, and then it will push back into place. Now that we have the glove box open, this is where the filter is contained. To get to the filter so we can replace it, there is a little plastic nub here that you can pinch, and then a second one right here that you can pinch. Now that you've pinched both, the cover can be removed, and that will reveal the filter. Here's the filter. It just slides in and out super easily like this. Make note of the direction of the arrow, so the arrow is pointing up. When you have a new filter, you want to install it with the arrow pointing up. Next, push the filter back in once you've replaced it, and then we'll put the cover back on, going in like here. Connects just like that. Once it's slid there, press back on the bottom and on this bottom. Now it is sealed off. Finally, we can go ahead and close the glove box up. So just grab it and push it back up. There'll be a little resistance here, but just push it up a little bit more, and now it's lodged in. The last thing we need to do is reattach the lever on the side here. Line up the hole for the lever, and now that it's lined up, you can just push it over towards the inside of the car, and it will slide around it. Now it's put back together, and you can close the glove box. Let me know if you have any questions.